How do I download and access Minecraft with PS Plus?
Hello and welcome to our guide. Today, we will walk you through how to download and access Minecraft using your PlayStation Plus subscription. This process is straightforward and we've broken it down into manageable steps.
What is PS Plus?
PlayStation Plus, or PS Plus, is a subscription service provided by Sony Interactive Entertainment. Subscribers get access to online multiplayer, monthly free games, early access to demos and betas, and exclusive discounts in the PlayStation Store.
How to ensure you have a PS Plus subscription?
First things first, you will need to have an active PS Plus subscription. To check, navigate to the Account Management section in the Settings menu of your PlayStation. If you're not currently subscribed, you can subscribe right there on your console or via the PlayStation website.
How to find Minecraft on PlayStation Store?
With your subscription active, you're ready to download Minecraft. Head over to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Minecraft. The game should appear in the search results.
How to download Minecraft?
Once you have found Minecraft in the store, click on it to go to the game's page. Here you will see a Download button if the game is included in your PS Plus subscription. Press the button to start downloading the game.
How to access and play Minecraft?
After the download is completed, Minecraft will be installed on your console. To play the game, go to the PlayStation home screen and navigate to your game library. You should see Minecraft in the list of your games. Highlight the Minecraft icon and press X to launch the game. And that's it. You've now learned how to download and access Minecraft with PS Plus. Enjoy your gaming, and remember, if you have any other questions, we're here to help. Happy mining and crafting!